Online money, the simplest way for beginners to make $300 per day in 2024. I'm going to show you today how to become one of the best online earners in 2024 and earn over $300 per day in the simplest way possible. This works in any country in the world, so you may use it to generate money and get paid easily. You can be paid using credit or debit cards, PayPal, Google Wallet, Apple Pay, Etsy gift cards, or Payoneer. If none of these options are available in your country, you can be paid directly into your bank account in your local currency. Welcome back to JumTalks. Let's take our tour into the best online money-making methods ever. If you would like to have a better financial success, hang on till the end. So, let's begin with the first step on our list. Step 1. Visit the AI tool 𝐃𝐨𝐧'𝐭. Stay tuned as I show how we can utilize this tool to make over $300 every day. Whether you have the expertise or not, 𝐃𝐨 is a free AI-powered design tool that can help you generate fantastic logos, mind-blowing templates, epic graphics, gorgeous images, wonderful icons, and ultimate mock-ups in a matter of seconds. With a few straightforward instructions, this advanced AI tool can help you create beautiful photos, clip art, and vector logo graphics. To test it out for yourself, visit 𝐃𝐨.com. Its user-friendly interface allows you to perform complicated text editing tasks with just a few clicks, and its magic recoloring tool allows you to immediately change the color of any design. You can use their thousands of ready-to-use templates for both personal and business needs. Simply go to the website and register for a free account on 𝐃𝐨.com and log in. After login, your dashboard will appear like this. Very simple and straightforward to use. The 𝐃𝐨 is functional on your browser. It is not necessary to download any program in order to make stunning designs. You may now select from a variety of templates, including covers, t-shirts, posters, logos, thumbnails, and socials, as well as tools to help your text stand out. Also, you can create epic mock-ups, add mind-blowing illustrations, and much more. In addition, you have access to an infinite number of editable pre-made t-shirt designs, templates, covers, logos, posters, and cards. You can select the precise templates you need from the list, or you can just type your need in the search box. For instance, if we choose the t-shirt template from there, a ton of t-shirt designs will be displayed for you to utilize and modify as you see fit. Step 2. Now, select a template that suits you. Then after clicking it, you will be redirected to the project page. The first thing you should do is click the Modify Project Title icon to update the design's name. The project will be stored in your account, which you can access through the My Project section, and you are free to name it whatever you want. However, if you are printing a t-shirt, in which case you may require the 12 by 16 dimension. As you can see, the canvas I need to work on is exactly this size. Since almost all of these designs are vector-based, their scalability is infinite, and their quality doesn't decrease with size. The next item you should be aware of is the shortcuts, which are located in the project page's lower left corner. You can see the many shortcuts that we will be using here, including the plus icon for zooming in and the minus icon for zooming out. Additionally, 𝐃𝐨 is compatible with macOS as well. Only the shortcuts will alter slightly from those on a Windows laptop. Everything else will remain the same. The layers are the next item to discuss. As you can see, the texture is layered on top of everything, followed by the text layer. So I want the text to be resized and centered in the middle of your canvas. Another crucial feature is the magic color plates. You can use them to quickly change the color of your designs with a single click. So if you like some other color set from there, you can just simply click on it, then your entire design will use that color. Step 3. In order to help you effortlessly make over $300 per day with these designs, I want to show you a few quick and easy strategies to make your designs the most beautiful in a short period of time. To customize our design, we can choose different colors for each letter on the canvas. You can select a variety of eye-catching fonts based on your needs. Additionally, you can add decorations to your text. Yes, we are also able to alter the decoration's color. So that ended the text editing process. The next option is to choose the texture from the menu on the left. Additionally, it will provide a ton of textures for you to utilize in your design to further enhance its beauty. I want to show you one more crucial thing right now. For that, simply choose the 𝐃𝐨 AI option from the left-hand menu. As you can see, you may produce breathtaking photographs here with a single hit of a button. So, you must first decide on the style you wish to use for your photograph. I want to make images in the vector style, so I will choose it. All I want to do now is type a simple instruction into this box and hit enter. Providing detailed prompts leads to better images. For now, I'm just going to use this, and I'll just hit enter. It appears to be loaded. As you can see, the picture has now been generated and it's a really nice picture. Now what you can do is, you can go to the layers options right here and place the illustration just above the other layers. Your design is now complete. All you need to do is click the mockup option and you will be redirected to this page. All you need to do now is modify your design size to fit the t-shirt, and I am sure it will look fantastic on it. When that's done, all you have to do is simply click on the download button to save the t-shirt mockup to your device. Step 4. The fourth step is to visit 𝐤𝐤𝐤𝐿.com. Etsy is a platform where you can sell various items with your own designs, such as t-shirts, mugs, cups, wall art, and more. As you can see, this person's basic Etsy t-shirt design has already brought in more than thousands of dollars for them. Like them, you may use 𝐾𝐨.com, the greatest free designer tool, to start selling your creations on Etsy. So, what are your thoughts about today's video? Remember to leave all of those in the comments section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Let's meet again with another video.